My friends gave me these furniture feet that they thought I could use in some creative way. So I thought I could use the brass portions as candlestick holders, and the wood pieces to make Christmas trees. I did like how they looked natural wood, but decided to paint them green so they'd look more like trees. The kids and I played around with the pieces quite a bit, and then my daughter decided that the trees should be 3 different sizes. I had a piece of fabric, so I just cut it a little longer than the length of our table. I don't mind that it's all crinkly and frayed, it just looks more casual and it took no time at all. I use these cedar branches from our yard because they're not prickly at all and they smell so nice. So this table setting only cost me $1 for the candlesticks. And it only took about an hour to put together. I love the challenge of making our home look more cozy without spending any money. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you're inspired too to come up with a setting that is simple, casual, and affordable as well. Have a wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you in the new year.